Good morning. Welcome to the Panda Clan. How are you and how was your weekend? Let me know down in the comments. Today we are starting in my 20-month-old room. My little one has so many clothes. We love getting them for Once Upon a Child for less than $20 an outfit. She's either going to outgrow them fast or she's going to stain them anyway. That's so much better. My little ones wanted cuddles, so I never got around to vacuuming her room, but that's okay. I did pretty good today. Now I'm moving into our room. I'm starting with the bathroom first because I haven't cleaned that in a while and I needed to get it done. I'm using my Method shower spray. I love this spray. It cleans so great. I got this scrubber at Menards. It made a huge difference. I used to just use a rag and so much scrubbing. Ew, look at that countertop. Ta-da! I love editing. I never show you my camcorder when I'm filming. There it is in the mirror. It is the Canon Vixa HFR80. It's amazing. I'm not sponsored or anything. It's just amazing. I'm always honest with you. I've dropped this camcorder 3 times. The last time that I dropped the camcorder, I was moving my light and the cord got wrapped around my camcorder and it dropped to the ground. And it cracked a little bit and my husband had to come and snap it back together. I was really freaking out because I was afraid I was going to have to replace my camcorder. Does anyone else have technical difficulties like this, or is it just me? Now we are going into the kitchen. We had turkey burgers and tots for dinner, so I have quite a mess to clean. I love doing the dishes, so relaxing. What do you do when you're getting ready to do a voiceover? Let me know down in the comments. I watched the video that I'm doing the voiceover on. While I'm watching, I have my headset on with the best iPod songs on, and I'm half writing, half singing to myself. If you do listen to music, who do you listen to? I love listening to country, the 2000s, and the 90s. What's your favorite genre? Spraying vinegar into the baking soda is my favorite part. I've gotten tons of questions on these Arm & Hammer wipes. I got them from Cub Foods. Look at all those crumbs just from the countertop and the stove. I'm just using water in my mop. I don't want my 20-month-old to put something in her mouth. My husband got me this panda over the weekend. His name is Bert, and he sits next to me while I edit and work. Can you guess where I got his name from? So this is my screen door. I have never cleaned my screen door before, as you can see. My 20-month-old and I have been spending tons of time outside, but it's all snowy now. This took tons of scrubbing, but I'm glad I got it done. My husband taught me that if you're using newspaper, the windows won't streak. Thanks, hon. Can you see how great the newspaper works? You can almost walk through the glass. Now we are getting to our living room. Look at that mess my toddler left me. And of course, Sesame Street is on. But lately we have been watching Disney movies from Disney Plus because she's been getting so sick of watching Elmo's. My little one loves her puzzles. We actually got rid of that fish tank, so that is the last time you will see that fish tank. My little one kept trying to free our goldfish, so we let him go before an accident happened. Tons of people have commented on that table when I did my laundry motivation. If you not check that out, I did a Q&A laundry motivation and I folded on that table. It was tons of space. I got it at Walmart.
I came over here to clean and look what I found.
Holy crap, that's big. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Did you get it?
Not yet. I think I got him.
Gross. Happy Halloween! Pretty sure you got it. Oh yeah, he's good.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new and comment and like down below. Happy Halloween! Let me know how your Halloween was in the comments.